going to be coming back to a game we all know and love called Splat. Taking a little break from measurement and enjoying a little bit of fun thinking about dots and splats. You ready? All right, how many dots do you see? Count them. Let's count them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 dots. Splat! How many dots are under the splat? You can use the dots you have left to help you. Pause the video while you think about it. All right, we knew we had 10 dots. And then we took away some. How many dots did we take away so we could be left with 2? We had 10, we took away some. We don't know how many is under there. And then we have 2 left over. How many dots are under the splat? There are some different ways we could solve this. Let's think about it. Ready? The first one is with our whiteboard. We could draw a picture. There were 10 dots. Get out your whiteboard. Draw 10 dots with me. There they are. And then how many dots were left? That's right. Only 2 dots were left, which meant that all of these are under the splat. I crossed them out to show that they got taken away. They got put under the splat. How many dots were put under the splat? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots were put under the splat. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Let's see if this matches what we did on our whiteboard. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 dots under the splat. Let's think about that. We had 10 to start, and then we took away 8. This 8 represents the 8 dots under the splat. And then we had 2 dots left over. This 2 represents the 2 dots we have here. Let's try another one. How many dots are there? Count them. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 dots in all. Splat! How many dots are under the splat? Use the dots left over to help you figure out how many are under the splat. You can say my answer is I know because Let's use our whiteboards to solve this. There were 9 dots in all. Draw them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then some got covered and there were 3 left. 1, 2, 3. These are the dots that are left. How many dots are then under the splat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 9 dots in all. and then we took away 6. That 6 represents the 6 dots that got covered by the splat, equals 3 dots left over. The 3 represents these 3 dots that are left over. We can also solve it on our hands. Think about it this way. We had 9 dots. Let's put up 9 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then a bunch got covered and we were left with only 3. How many fingers do we have to put down to have only 3 left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We start with 9 fingers and we put 6 fingers down. Take away 6, we are left with 3. Let's look at the splats to see it. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots are under the splat. We had 9 dots in all. We took away 6. 6 got covered by the splat. And that meant we had 3 dots left. Ready to do some for homework? Here is your math homework. Solve the following splat problems. Figure out how many dots are under the splat. Use a picture and/or your fingers to help you. Write a subtraction sentence to show what happened. Resuelva los siguientes problemas splat. Calcule cuántos puntos hay debajo del splat. Use una imagen y o sus dedos para ayudarlo. Escribe una oración de resta para mostrar lo que sucedió. Start by counting the dots. Press pause until you know how many there are. That's right, there are 8 dots in all. Splat! Pause the video. How many dots are under the splat? You can say, my answer is I know because Don't forget to write a number sentence too. An equation. Press play when you're ready to check your work. To check your work, there are 3 dots under the splat. 8 take away 3 equals 5 left over. Next one, how many dots in all? Press pause while you count them. That's right, there are 10 dots in all. Splat! How many dots do you think are under the splat? What makes you think that? You can say, my answer is I know because Don't forget to write a number sentence too. An equation. Press play when you're ready to check your work. Ready to check your work? There are 2 dots under the splat. 10 take away 2 equals 8 left over.